holding corporate wrongdoers who violate U.S. sanctions accountable is an important priority for the Justice Department. U.S. sanctions are increasingly at the center of U.S. national security, and at the Department of Justice, we are responsible for putting teeth into those sanctions.
We did a whole comprehensive cyber review, and a few things came out of that. One was we needed to change our orientation. We needed to pivot to disruption and prevention and make that our focus. And then the other issue was we needed to put victims at the center of our approach.
At the beginning of this administration, EPA and the Department of Justice redoubled our joint efforts to elevate survivor voices, engage and affect change by launching the nation's first of its kind Environmental Crime Victim Assistance Program. The program was built based on the experiences of survivors, from victims' rights professionals and from those working on environmental crime investigations and prosecutions.